One of Full Circle's missions is to help reduce infant mortality by the training of birth attendants and midwives.
They have an institution called the Accoucheuse Traditionnelle, which is the traditional birth attendant. So we came up with a really simple program, which was to take the Accoucheuse Traditionnelle. These are women who are over 50, they've had a dozen children themselves, they've seen their daughter have 4 or 5 children, they've seen all their peer group have children. So they're very experienced. What they don't have is any training or any tools. So we make little birthing kits, and we take the women on a 2-week training in the local hospital. They get a rigorous training, and we refresh it each year. So they go back for a week or 2 weeks each year. We're up to 24, and we're trying to make that 48 women. So each woman can cover a couple of villages, and they can pass that information and those tools on to their peer groups. So it spreads virally. So if we're reducing that mortality rate by 2, 3, or 4 for every 100 people, that's huge.